All right, let's take a look at Chapter 2, Section 2.1, the language of sets. Specify sets using both listing and set builder notation. Understand when sets are well defined. Use the element symbol property. Find the cardinal number of sets. Representing sets. A set is a collection of objects. An element is a member of a set. In set builder notation, we write a set like so, and we read the symbols. C is the set of all x such that x is a carnivorous animal. So the set brackets tell us we're looking at a set. X such that x is a way of describing each individual in the set. And then the sentence tells us what the description of each element is. C is a capital letter because by convention, we use capital letters to represent sets. A set is well defined if we're able to tell whether any particular object is in an element of the set. Example, which sets are well defined? A is the set of all x's such that x is a winner of an Academy Award, or T is a set of all x's such that x is tall. Well, being tall is subjective. Being a winner of an Academy Award is not subjective. We can tell whether any element is a member of element A, of set A, but it's subjective as to what is tall to you and what is tall to me. So B is not well defined. Set T is not well defined. The set that contains no elements is called the empty set or the null set. This set is labeled by the symbol, kind of looks like a 0 with a line through it. Another notation for the empty set is a set of set brackets that have no elements listed inside of it. Does the symbol for the null set and the symbol for the null set inside of set brackets mean the same thing? And the answer is no. The first symbol is the empty set, a set with no members. The second set of symbols is a set with a member, namely the empty set. So the first set is just the empty set. The second set is a set that contains an empty set. Definition. The universal set is the set of all elements under consideration in a given discussion. We often denote the universal set by the capital letter U. Example, consider female consumers living in the US. The universal set is U equals X such that X is a female consumer living in the US. The element symbol. It kind of looks like a curved E, and it reminds you of an element because it kind of does look like an E. So the element symbol means is an element of. And if you take that same symbol and cross it out, then that means it's not a symbol of. So for example, 3 is an element of the set 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not an element of the set 2, 3, 4, 5. Cardinal number. Definition. The number of elements in a set A is called the cardinal number of set A and is denoted in parentheses, capital A, in parentheses. Pronounced N of A. A set is finite if the cardinal number is a whole number. An infinite set is one that is not finite. The N reminds us of the word number. The capital A reminds us that we are dealing with a set. So when we see the terminology, the notation N of A, we're reminded that it's a number of elements in the set A. Example, state the cardinal number of the set X equals the set of elements such that the first element is the set 1, 2, 3, the second element is the set 1, 4, 5, and the third element is the set 3, a set containing 3. So the number of objects in X itself is 3. The set X contains 3 objects, each of which is also a set.